In this video, I'll teach you how to make a cell sticky in Wix Studio. Start by going onto your Wix website designer, and from here go up and open Inspector in the top right corner. Now go ahead and mark the cell that you want to add a sticky effect to. In this case, I'm going to do the yellow one here. So I'm going to go ahead and mark it until it says cell up here. From here, you simply need to go to design and then go down to position. As you can see, we have the position type. Go ahead and click on this drop down menu and then choose sticky. From here, you can also go ahead and customize if you want it to stick to the top or the bottom or bottom and top. In this case, I'm just going to go ahead and stick with top. And then we can go ahead and preview to see what it looks like. And as you can see, when I scroll, it sticks. And that means that this little cell here specifically moves with the website as I'm scrolling. As you can see, like this. So that's how you can make a cell sticky in Wix Studio. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.